Hi!
There's going to be a party at the beach! Let's go there and sell things! Which one do you want to make? Great! Food truck, let's go! Welcome! What would you like to order? We'd like to order this star-shaped cotton candy. Now we have the customer's orders. Let's prepare the food. Let's make the cotton candy. What flavor of sugared cantaloupe? Grape. Wow, it is so big! Let's decorate it! Wow, the sweet cotton candy is ready! Wow! The amusement park is having an event! It's so lively! Let's go there and sell things! Which one do you want to make? Great! Food truck, let's go! Welcome! What would you like to order?
I'd like to have this.
Tofu and sausage skewer.
Can I have this, please?
Pepper and rib skewer. Now we have the customer's orders. Let's prepare the food. Let's make the skewers. First, let's prepare the ingredients. Tofu. Sausage. Green pepper. Rib. Let's skewer the ingredients you've just cut. Sausage. Tofu. Which ingredients should be put here? Sausage. Tofu. Rib. Tofu. Not this one. Try again. Green pepper. Rib. Great! All the skewers are ready. Turn on the switch and grill the skewers. Let's add some ketchup. Ketchup. Honey. 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 Black pepper powder. Chili powder. Cumin powder. Barbecue sauce. Honey. Ketchup. Barbecue sauce. Chili powder. Cumin powder. Black pepper powder. Aha! Tasty skewers are ready! Thank you! Thank you! Aha! That's a picnic party in the park! Let's go there and sell things! Which one do you want to make? Great! Food truck, let's go! Welcome! What would you like to order? We'd like to order this. Chocolate popcorn. Juice soda. Now we have the customer's orders. Let's prepare the food. Let's make the popcorn first. Tap the button to turn on the stove. Pour the ingredients into chocolate. Butter. Corn kernels. Stir it. The ingredients are mixed well. Wow! The kernels are turning into popcorn! Great! Now let's make the juice. Slide to cut the fruit. Excellent! You've cut a lot of fruit! Press the button to start juicing! Spin it to add bubbles to the juice. Spin it to add bubbles to the juice. Lastly, let's add some toppings to the juice. Wow! You've made delicious juice! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you! Oh, we're out of gas. Let's fill up the tank first. Slide the red button to lift the barrier.
I'm running low on gas. Please fill up my fuel tank.
Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car. We're out of ingredients. Let's buy some at the supermarket. We need to buy these ingredients.